Emperor was bad enough, but now that he has the Dimensionator...
We will not lose your friends.
So, if Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and Clank is an alternate dimension you, were we meant to team up too?
They do seem happy together.
Yeah. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to.
Me too.
So maybe this is just
Temporary.
Furious.
Is all this fighting really necessary? Can't we talk about this over some lemonade?
No! The Emperor despises lemonade. Nothing should be sour and sweet.
But he messes with the Morts.
The Emperor is truly the worst.
Hey! You done picking on the little guys?
Stop that! You shall suffer with them.
More of the Emperor's forces are here for us. I mean, you. All of these rifts. The Emperor has become even more dangerous with the Dimensionator. All enemies neutralized. Your friends are safe.
For now. Let's go talk to Mort and find out what's going on.
Rivet, you are just the best! Yellow down the board. Go do your thing. Rivet to the rescue again! You got our... Aw, Rivet. Sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the Seekerpede and everything. But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off!
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up!
By the way, say hi to Pit.
Hey there, kid. Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Hello.
That's Maynard, the Morts' helper bot. He'll lead us to the Seekerpede.
Attention Sargasso. Emperor sends his warmest greetings with his subtle heads of condescending derision. Pivot.
Tell the Emperor he should come say hi himself.
Right. Or not. Either way.
The Emperor's not just going after the Morts.
He is taking out all life on the planet.
Come on, we have to keep following Maynard.
It's a bit tasteless of you to disrupt my welcome wagon. A lot of thought into it. I watched from a distance. I'm just exhausted. Eliminating your ally.
Yeah, keep laughing. Let's see how you feel when we free the Seekerpede. Threatening me over holograms. Classy.
Instilling fear from a distance is a common tool of oppressors. I have seen it many times in my studies.
In incarceration, loyal subjects. Troopers will assist in your compliance.
Pistol
is even more annoying. Believe me. What do you hope to do? Release that ramshackle Seekapede? Mine must be. Just you wait, Puppet. Our big expansive plan is store for Sargasso. Steady there, Doctor. We don't want to spoil the surprise now.
Surprise! Let's keep after Maynard. That is the last one. Let's keep following Maynard toward that Seekerpede. So many ships. The Emperor's being very thorough. It'll be okay. We'll free the Seekerpede and the fight will start going our way. It will. A nefarious dropship. Sure, why not?
Temporary setback.
That is satisfying.
All right, thingamajigger. Here we come.
I am looking forward to examining that anomaly.
So, when I was with Clank, he...
It is just like what I imagined.
Kit? Oh, Kit! Oh, you're all right.
This is an electric sphere.
Ah, you remembered your training. What happened to Clank?
He's traveling to Argolis with Ratchet. You two have met?
He's been helping me take care of these dimensional anomalies.
Oh. So that explains why this all feels so familiar.
Does? Fascinating. Some kind of dimensional deja vu. Anyway, care to help?
Absolutely.
That's intriguing. The Spinergizer converted the dimensional energy into action.
Zero gravity at my fingertips.
You're just as fast a learner as Clank.
How bad are things now?
Well, we're circling the drain. It seems that the dimensional cataclysm has been intensifying even faster than I expected.
I assume the Emperor's stealing the So, what do you think of Clank?
Oh, talented, resourceful, very shiny.
Agreed, agreed, agreed.
I can see why he'd be your counterpart.
What does that mean?
It's a compliment, kid, to both of you.
What do you think of Clank?
We have barely spoken, but I am glad my counterpart is a good guy.
You were worried about that?
It is a reasonable concern.
Well, it wasn't for me. You're good. No, great. So of course he would be too.
So sparkly. That Spinnergizer could use some energizing. That Spinnergizer could use some energizing.
You're doing work worthy of being cataloged in the archives. So, if Clank is with Ratchet, does that mean you're here with Rivet? Is that what you think is happening?
I do not know. With Ratchet, we worked well together. But I was always worried about disappointing him, and I still am with Rivet. But it also feels like we already know each other.
Well, destiny or not, I hope Rivet realizes how lucky she is to have you.
Wow, feeling lighter already.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
That Spinergizer could use some energizing.
If I may offer one thought, perhaps it would be beneficial to explore the area for more spheres.
That Spinergizer could use some energizing. Ooh, so heavy.
Kit, you know that you've done better than I would have if I had been in your shoes, right?
What?
You went out into the unknown without a lifeline, doing the last thing you ever wanted to do. And you're succeeding. I could never have done that.
But you are. Trying to fill in for your father. Helping Clank and I navigate all of this. You are doing that. And succeeding.
In that case, go us!
Go us. That Spinergizer could use some energizing.
I am so proud of you. Well done.
I could not have done it without you, Gary.
Thanks a bunch there, kid. Now these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Mosh, please.
Nice work. Want to blow that up?
I could be persuaded.
Not exactly a straight line to the battle cruiser, but
Oh, tried to use my own centipede against me. Oh, I do love walking ultimate battles, though. Yes, how can you possibly hope to defeat Team Lemurius? Now, I want to see how shall we? All cruisers, activate your destructo beams. Planetary devastation! Finally!
Did he just say planetary devastation?
Rivet, our equipment's going haywire. The cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Those destructo beams can destroy an entire planet in mere minutes. The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso.
We can try. I'm not gonna let him destroy my home.
You leave the mothership to us, Rivet. We'll keep her busy with our pesky Syncope.
You got it. We'll handle those battle cruisers.
Oh, a cruiser has been destroyed. I'm devastated. Whatever will I do? I know. Shields up, my darling battle cruisers.
Shields? Ah, it just couldn't be easy.
Those shields are impenetrable to any weapon we have. I do not know how we will get past them.
Hey, we threw together some bombs out of our gelatonium stash that should help you take down those shields. Trudy can pick them up and toss them at the cruisers.
There are the bombs Mort mentioned. Let's grab one. Their shields hold up against one of these.
Take that, Emperor Nefarious!
Nice hit. Let's keep it up.
I grow tired of waiting. All cruisers increase beam strength to 120%. I want Sargasso broken.
Oh, jeez. Things are rumbling and tumbling down here, Rivet. We are all counting on you two.
Sargasso is becoming unstable. We must act quickly and destroy the other battle cruisers.
Mayday! Mayday! They winged us! Gonna attempt a water landing! It's all up to you now, Rivet!
This is for Sargasso.
Frightful thinks she can stop us. Concentrate all power on the planet. Destroy it all.
You did it!
We did it.
Oh, there they are!
Hey!
Rivet and Kit! Rivet and Kit!
All right. You're welcome.
Mort, break out the lemonade. We're getting crazy tonight.
Another unlikely win just in time to cross you off the list. Off to Zordu prison you go.
Oh, who needs tradition? Let's spice things up.
We appear to be in a pocket dimension.
Luckily, the all-knowing Emperor didn't realize I know exactly how to get out of him. No, too far. Come on, Rips, work with me here.
You two seem to have a lot of history.
Yeah, you could say that. I've fought a long time to win our galaxy back. Lost friends, my arm.
The Emperor did that?
Oh, not exactly. It happened during a mission. I'd found a secret entrance into the Emperor's tower. So I tried to sneak in, alone. The door was right there. I didn't notice one of Nefarious' warbots was nearby. I thought I could run. I wasn't fast enough. Then it just stopped. I got away before it could finish the job. But I built myself this cool new arm, so it's not all bad.
Rivet.
That's fine. Hey, look! An exit! Check this out. Hey, Ratchet! Sargasso's safe and sound. Well, mostly. Any good news?
Oh, good. We talked to Quantum and got a bug off of him. Guess you can listen in to the Emperor.
Let's meet at Zerky's. This might be our chance to get ahead of them.
Lemonade for everyone!
And now for a message from your Emperor.
My people, I did it. At long last, the pirates are vanquished. The resistance is broken, and this galaxy is finally mine! That's it. Where's the joy? The bliss? The murderous enlightenment? Why don't I feel any different?
Because you equated happiness with success. And now that you've achieved it, life is meaningless.
What could you possibly know about success, you... That's it. I haven't really won yet. There are still so many other dimensions waiting to be conquered!
Good luck finding them. It took me years just to figure out the coordinates for this one.
That's because you forgot the first rule of road tripping. Always bring a map.
A map. The dimensional map. In the archives. He's going to Savali. You catch all that, Rivet?
Got it. We'll meet you there.